Right, welcome back to the VRC, e-VRC, where I'm attempting to go to the shops on an electric skateboard. Not going very fast. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I was meant to tighten these trucks up a bit. Don't know how fast I'm going to get to go. I've got to be careful because I'm still not very good at it. Right, someone's going past. Thanks. I'm getting a bit better. More people. See, on this though, unlike the EUC, I can't go on the grass. I've got to stick to thingy majiggies. Sorry. Sorry. I can't go on the grass with this. Cheers. It's alright. Well, that was interesting. I thought I was going to crash into them. Right, I wonder how fast it goes. You know what, once I get around the corner, I'm going to start my GPS. I'm going to be this is a bit dodgy around here though. The floor isn't great, so I need to be careful. This isn't self-balancing, so let's take it easy here. There's a bit here that nearly cut me out once on the EUC. I think it's that bit. I think we're alright now. I'm putting a lot of weight on my back leg. Ugh. Woo. Right, how am I going to get on with this bit? Going around this corner. Ooh. Have a bit more confidence in yourself. Woo. Right. Okay, you know what? I'm going to stop here. Get my phone out. I'm going to watch out for these big bricks as well. Skateboards don't like big bricks. Actually, you know, I'm going to go past a bit further. Right, here I do it. Still a bit windy. Okay, slow down. Right, where's my phone? Oh, I haven't got my. There we go. Okay, let's see how we go. It's meant to be able to do 20 miles per hour. This board, 400 watt motor. I mean, don't see why not. Van. If it's 400 watts, it's more powerful than the commuting e-scooters I've been testing. They go 20 miles an hour. So, you know, why not? The good thing about an e-board compared to an EUC is that you can kind of push it. Whoa. I do need to be careful though, because I'm still not very good on it. But I think I should be able to get to the shops. And I should have tightened the trucks up a bit. Right, what do I usually do here? I usually go up this curb. Ugh. Let's try and go up this. Can I go up this? Yeah. There you go. It's just a bit more kind of embarrassing if I pass people. So I don't really know what I'm doing. Definitely hasn't got as much pull or push. It's rear wheel drive. Toasty! And it is a bit bumpy. This bit will be nice once I cross this road. I'm going to get off here, aren't I? The brakes are crap. I don't remember to get a few more different positions as well. Whoa! Whoop. Get down here. Oh, this isn't very good. This bit, I've got high hopes. Oh, this is what it used to feel like going on things like this on a skateboard. Right, start slowing down. Oh, proper one. Someone who knows what they're doing. Oop. Let's come off. Let's stop you. The eggs are not broken. My lunch sorted. What do I want for lunch now? Oh, there we go. It's a bit slow in it. Well, no matter what happens now, I made it to the shops. Just going to get from the shops. Oop. Let's get my shades on. Right, let's try and get some good angles. Come on, board, you're going a bit slow, aren't you? Oh, I thought you were in a lower power mode. Are you dying? What's going on? Oh, this isn't good, is it? I ain't gone far. Whoa. Come on. Like proper crawling at the moment. Someone's going to have to get their money back. Come on, you can do better than this. Ugh. Come on. That is rubbish. What's that noise? You recording? You're recording. Yeah, come on, cool and fun. Stay cool and fun. Maybe I've... Oh. I think I've knocked the power level. Right, you're still... Okay, I think it's back. Sort of. I mean, it was never that fast in the first place, but I think I pressed the power button, that's why. So, if you've got wrist guards, hold the board in your right hand. Let's get some low shots. Meow. Right, it's a bit better now. Let's get some far shots. I mean, it's by no means fast, but it's faster than walking. It is putting a lot of stress on my right leg. Whoa. Is there a better way to stand? On it. It's disgusting with my shoe was. It's like, what are you doing? Seriously, my right leg's killing right now. I need to adjust it. So, has shopping on an electric skateboard been a success? Well, I'm nearly home. I could still die. But it's definitely doable, especially if you've got a bit more skill than I've got. Come on. Still in the max power mode. Let's go behind us for a bit. And obviously being a skateboard, unlike an e-scooter, police aren't. Here's the dip, here's the dip. Oh, I'm alright. I'm okay. Looking for it. Terrain. Ugh. Doesn't go over as much stuff as an EUC. Oh, seriously, I need to get back. my calf is really in pain. My right calf. I think it's got something to do with the way I'm standing on it. If anyone's out there right now watching this, hearing me moan, as I usually do, is the pain in the right calf or the rear calf, let's say you're like left-footed or whatever, is that like a new thing and you get used to it, or is it just the way I'm standing? Actually, it's gone away now. I'm leaning forward and it's more weight on the left leg. It's definitely a bit slow now though. The battery's down to 3 bars. It was fully charged. I mean, this thing costs £200. It's not expensive, really. I mean, you know, £200 is not an amount of money to be sniffed at, of course. It is a decent amount of money, but compared to other types of machinery like this, it's not that expensive. Can you go over here? I got it. Down up the other side. Come on. I don't want to pedal hush. Get me back, nearly home. Anyway, we're pretty much home now, so I'm hoping to get a bit more e-skate content. But if you like that kind of thing, and e-UCs and e-bikes and e-scooters, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed me going to the shops, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later next time. Thanks for watching. Ride safe. Whoa! Hit myself.